Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel Climate Vista. My name is Tubashik. In my previous video we talked on what is climate change and what does it talk about climate change. Today I will talk on what are the causes and impacts of climate change. I will try my best to explain this topic with the help of some photos and videos. First we will discuss the causes of climate change. First we have deforestation. Deforestation is the action of clearing a wide area of trees. Direct causes of deforestation are agricultural expansion, wood extraction to create farms or pasture, or for other reasons cause emission. Since trees, when they are cut, release the carbon they have been storing. Since forests absorb carbon dioxide, destroying them also limits nature's ability to keep emission out of the atmosphere. For example, we cut trees for logging or wood harvest for domestic fuels or charcoal, and infrastructure expansion such as road building and urbanization. As we know, trees give off oxygen that we need to breathe. Trees give food, protection, and homes for many mammals and birds. Next, we have generating power. Generating electricity and heat by burning fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas cause a large chunk of global emission. Most electricity is still produced from fossil fuels, only about a quarter come from wind, solar, and other renewable sources. Produce large amount of carbon dioxide, which is responsible for climate change. Mining of coal scars the landscape and negatively impact water quality, produces smoke and pollution. Technologies used to reduce emission, including CO2, sulfur dioxide, and other, are expensive. The pollutants produced by many generators emit highly toxic gases that affect the health of human animals and even plants. Next up we have using of transport. Most cars, lorries, ships and planes run on fossil fuels that makes transportation a major contributor of greenhouse gases, especially carbon dioxide emission. The transport sector causes substantial negative impacts on the environment and human health. Roads vehicles account for the largest part, but emissions from ships and planes continue to grow. The next cause for climate change we have manufacturing goods. Manufacturing industry produce emission mostly from burning fossil fuels to produce energy for making things like cement, iron, steel, plastic, electronic clothes, and other goods. Mining and other industrial process also releasing gases. These gases cause global warming, which affects our environment and is like cancer for human health. The next we have impacts. First we have flooding. Climate change results in more intense rainfall. This increases the chances of flooding. Warmer temperature increases the evaporation, which means a warmer atmosphere can hold moisture. As a result, when storm can unleash more intense precipitation and thus cause severe flooding. Researchers have observed those changes over time as the world warms. This is because warming means the air can hold more moisture. The next impact we have drought. What is becoming scarce in more regions, drought can stir destructive sand and dust storms that can move billions of tons of sand across continents. Deserts are expanding, reducing land for growing food. Many people now face the threat of not having enough water on a regular basis. The next we have heat waves. Nearly all land areas are seeing more hot days and heat waves. 2020 was one of the hottest year on record. Higher temperature increased heat-related illness and can make it more difficult to work and move around. The next impact we have ice melting and rising ocean. Since the industrial revolution, carbon dioxide and the greenhouse gas emission have raised temperature, and as a result, glaciers are rapidly melting, carving off into sea and retreating on land. The ocean soaks up most of the heat from global warming. This melts ice sheets and raises sea levels, threatening coastal and island communities. The ocean also absorbs carbon dioxide, keeping it from the atmosphere. More carbon dioxide makes the ocean more acidic. More severe storms. This is our next impact. Changes in temperatures cause change in rainfall. The result is more severe and frequent storms. They cause flooding and landsliding, destroying homes and communities. This boosts the chances of thunderstorms, leading to more violent storms and more lightning strikes, costing billions of pounds. Next impact we have poverty and displacement. Climate change increases the factors like flooding of food supplies or income earning option run out. Desperate families are left with no other choice than to leave their homes. Weather related disaster displaced 23 million people, a year and leaving many more vulnerable to poverty. We have the examples, we have Afghanistan and Somalia. This is my today's video. आगे हम बात करेंगे अगली वीडियो में अगले टॉपिक पे, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़ एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब माय यूट्यूब चैनल.